My people, the one wey baby today. In fact, no worry, make I keep my dance for later. If una see this altar boy, for una wey no know, na Catholic people, they get people, they get guys wey dey serve as altar boys. Na there the thing happen. Omo, this guy don bring us spiritual ginger mixed with garlic. He just dey give am. No be small thing o. And even as e dey down, normal level, people wey, I know say many of una go know all these levels, you understand? Catholic people, they be gentle people, slow, except if now they don change, but the time wey I dey there, you understand? Everybody come dey shock, say, which kind style be this one? I say I must bring am come una side o. So that go make una laugh small, you understand? Abeg, for una wey no know wetin dey happen, omo, this guy don scatter everywhere. Give us. Abeg, join me, make we watch the video. Omo, the guy scatter everywhere. This one don't forget say he dey do dey serve mass. Omo, this guy dey come. No, see, we no need for any argument sef. This guy dey come from Pentecostal church. No, they just transfer am. Maybe person just winning soul, he enter Catholic or something. Because omo, the way this guy dey ginger this thing, this one no be Catholic dance. This one no be Catholic dance. Abeg, forget am. The kind dance wey this guy dey dance no be for Catholic. This one na from outside. Catholic wey me I know. I been dey Catholic before now. Catholic wey I know, na just even this one sef, you go just dey, you understand? Na the one wey I know. Except since now they don change. Abeg, make nobody judge me. I just dey tell una because of wetin I experienced before. Except if now they don change. I remember the time where they transfer me, like when I change my church from Catholic enter Pentecostal. Omo, e be like say I dey another world. Everything come change, everything. You don't understand? I come realize say, because as I enter Pentecostal, my people, I come realize say, Catholic dey slow, e dey boring. Abeg, no offense, because I just dey tell na my own experience. I could say, let me say this place na here the ginger dey, na here everything. You don't understand? Hey! Now this one we dey call when the Spirit of the Lord is upon you, the rest is history. Consider, abeg, see, even after here, they go watch that video again. See how the other boy dey for the side, they look am, say, where this one dey come from? Even the tell am say, oh boy, you for relax, so na church we dey. Some people too dey spiritual. See how the one they look at, you don't dey confused. You don't, my brother, dance, because dance. Many people go dance for club, but they no fit dance for God. Why? Una don turn the whole thing. Who tell una say God is boring? God is not boring. So I don't understand why if you dey serve God, it must be in a boring way, in a slow way. Abeg, we must dance this dance. As una watch this guy, na so I be. If this gbedu enter me like this inside church, you go see me, you go dey wonder, na Madam Aproko be this, na she be this, because I dey give. Abeg, allow, make una allow this boy to dance, because the thing just remind me of myself. My people, na the matter be this. So I say make una laugh small, because something they tell me say some people face too strong. Abeg, if you come here when you dey depressed, you no fit go back the same way. It's not possible. Me, except say I no be Madam Aproko again. I remember people start dey drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply now one by one. And make sure say you share this video, very very important, so that everybody go know say Catholic now they you understand. And make sure say you drop your comment, subscribe. If not, how you want to laugh? No, they sincere. How you want to laugh? I mean, just subscribe there because no go kill you. Stay tuned for the next story. Another one for Delta State. This one, a pregnant woman wey is stripping 12-year-old daughter. In fact, he strip her naked. No be the end o. After he strip am naked, come tie him hands, tie the legs, keep am for one place. According to am, he say the girl too dey waka. Say before you know am, na so she go just leave house. She no go tell anybody. She no go take permission. She no go. Na so she go just go for hours from morning till night before she go come back. Say sometimes sef she no dey come back. Na she go dey look for this girl. Dey look for this girl. This last one wey happen, my people, na neighbors even guys go there, rescue the pikin, untie am, then cover am with cloth. In fact, many wahala. And as I dey talk to una now, they don't catch the woman. They don't catch her. They question her. In fact, the matter even enter court. So I beg, before I go proceed, make we listen to Madam Stripper.
What make you tie the pikin for the first place?
What make tie the pikin be say the pikin they run they come up for us. If you run come up for us, we know they say and again we'll come five reach midnight. Now if you not tell like all the carrier they come house every midnight 2 o'clock.
Why? Then why you report to police? Why you no report to police?
I be the mistake. Please forgive me because I don't actually know. I don't actually know what happened.
Well,
hey, I beg Nigeria na serious seasonal movie. I'm not just understand now. Many people don't tell me say it be like say this thing na generational something. No, see, if we look this thing where many things where they happen for this life na spiritual. If it be say this woman now like this they bring her up. If it be say na like this they bring her up, you know say see now why they tell una say if it be true say na spiritual. This waka thing no be normal thing o. You go just stand up leave your house before you know you just find yourself for market. Meanwhile you know they go buy anything. Some things they happen like that. So I dey feel say this thing na from one generation to another generation. Maybe the mother too, she been there like that. And na the only way her own mama teach am say na like this we go avoid am or we go solve the matter. She too, maybe they been dey tie am down. Abeg, my people, make we dey try. See, try to dey better than our parents. Make we try am. Very important because all these African things, e don too enter our head. This thing na generational something. No, make una tell me 12 years old. No, where you dey go? Even if may we just say okay, now you get friends pass. At least you and your friends, you get how una go dey play for even your own mama compound, your mama go dey see you. But this one every day. No be say this week she go, next week. Every day na so she go just dey waka comot for house. All these things dey happen when we know they get training. When they no train you well, now all these kind of things go dey happen. Wakadugbe. I dey sure say this one like this na spiritual boyfriend. Any small time you go just see boyfriend don call am for spirit world, start dey waka dey go. Omo no be small thing dey happen now as I dey talk to una for Delta State o. They question am. In fact, the matter even reach court because and you know what even dey shock me concerning this whole matter. They even carry this woman go court. Now that part alone, my mind don dey dance around. Una carry this woman go court. No, I know they talk say the thing wey she do dey good o. But wait, we you know how many cases we don't get wey serious pass this one. We no hear court. Oh. Our governors, politicians, all of them, police even harass person, this one. We no hear court. Why una life just be like this? Why? No, why? When una wan change this nonsense attitude? Una see person wey dey in fact you no even get in fact this woman as I even dey see am like this e be like say na just manage dey push in life. Na this kind people our people get power over them. Na only these ones na go sabi speak English dey ask question this one that one. Make it become one uniform person or one person at the top now. They go see case dismissed, court order. We no go even hear anything again. I just dey pity for the woman sha. No, I no go lie una. Like when I dey hear and dey talk alone, like e dey do me make her cry. And from the way she even dey talk, you go know say This thing, she even talk am. Say she no even know how the thing enter am. She no know how when she even do am. You go know say from the way she dey talk, you go know say this one she no dey do am out of her own will. This thing na serious spiritual something. As una dey talk to una now, she don, e be like say she don learn her lesson, because after they carry am go court sef, she even go dey she now don dey give advice to women say make they no dey do child abuse o, make they no dey maltreat their children, plenty thing. Na I say make I bring am come una side. So abeg, I wan make una lis ten to this woman as she dey court dey give advice. So join me make we watch the woman.
Madam, what do you have to say to other women out there that are abusing their children?
What I have to say is that say no to child abuse.
And child molestation.
Molestation.
Thank you very
much. Because the way you are maltreating your child is not fair at all. Just like me. I'm maltreating my child. That is the reason why I'm like this. So I want to say that women stay away from molesting children. For children is the leaders of tomorrow.
Wetin dey funny me now for this case be say she even get belle. I not just understand. You wey as you get belle, you even suppose know this thing more than every other person. You carry pikin for inside your stomach, you still dey treat your own pikin. Anyhow sha. Like people go say, they say the one wey no need na him go get, the one wey no get na him go need. Na like that e always dey happen, my people. So I make we just take her like that. And I wan believe say this one wey she don come do now, say na real, in fact say na real change. I no want the one wey now you, because you dey public, you go come do like say you don change, you don repent. Tomorrow now we go hear say you don tie this your pikin again. The best thing, abeg, in fact start spiritual investigation for this your pikin. Very important, because see my people, sometimes we dey carry our parents problem, great grandparents problem, we dey carry am but we no know. If it be say na wetin don dey worry this pikin now, I just dey pray say God go heal your family o, my sister. May God just heal you completely so that all this waka go stop. My people, abeg, any prayer wey you get, just dey pray for this woman and the family, because they need am. You understand? Very important. And now the whole thing wey dey ground, because she carry belle. You understand? You know say normal level, as this thing happen now, where they even enter court, they suppose give her maybe 1 or 2 years in prison. But because of the pregnancy, they can't tell her say, okay, oh madam, instead of the 2 years, you go just they do 5 days of community service. Now what she go dey do now because of the pregnancy. So any comment where you get concerning this matter, just drop and there. I go reply on a one by one. I wait till they happen for Delta State be this. And make sure say you share this video and comment. If not, you no go get any story where we get like this. Stay tuned for our next story.